First and foremost, let me say thank you to first to God, second to the Bharatiya. First, I'd like to say thank you to God. I would like to say thank you to the Bharatiya Janata Party for giving me this responsibility, and I promise to work with diligence and to work together on the whole towards the portfolio given to me. I will meet up with Secretary Revenue and get a hold of what all has happened so far, and from there on, I will take it on. I would prefer to make it more people friendly because I think this goes all the way to the grassroots level, and try and dispose of whatever cases are there as fast as possible, and generally work for the betterment of Goa and for the people.
Streamlining of Mamledar offices.
Yes, streamlining.
Everything will
Everything will come once I take over. Let me go through everything that's there, and then I will decide how I have to follow through.
Ma'am,
how many days-
this will be a new experience for you
Yes.
with the BJP, working with the BJP, new setup, new people, maybe new mindset.
Yes.
Do you have anything?
So, like everything new, it takes some time to adjust. I won't say it will happen very quickly. I will take some time to adjust to everybody, but I will make sure that I get along well with everybody and take everyone forward. Take opinions of the Honorable CM, and I'm very thankful to him for the position that he has given me in the Bharatiya Janata Party.
Thank you.
For you, what is
And I have had a good relation with the BJP party leaders. And they know my capacity, they know my attitude towards my working system.
will you have issues in South Goa in your constituency with this decision of yours?
See, we have taken a conscious and collective decision after due considering our political future, the whole political scenario across the country as well as in Goa. As such, we are very much comfortable here, this government, and we will see that the development has to be balanced development across the state. This is our whole idea. It should not be unbalanced or reach to certain constituencies. As a minister, I will see that to reach the benefit of this government across the state.
What are the portfolios promised?
So far, we have not promised anything, but we are awaiting a government order.
Which is likely to come tomorrow or tonight?
It is up to Chief Minister. It can be any time because from Monday we are supposed to
Resume offices.
is the office as well as we have to face the legislative assembly.
Yeah. Ma'am, roads in Taliga are a big issue. You've been fighting about this in the assembly. Now, is an opportunity for you to push for this, especially.
Yes, I will. I'm inducted. But I'd spoken to him earlier about 20 days ago, and I told him about the problems in my constituency. And he at that time had said that we will meet and he will solve and sort out all my problems. Not because I am inducted just
Now
right
it's
now.
easier since you're a minister.
Yes, yes. The few works to be completed, which I will do now.
Thank you.
Welcome.
पार्टी बाहर पुढे आम्हाला